fantasizing about doing a rain dance in traffic. Fantasizing about a storm to wash me away. If you studied the lifelines, you'd see them cracking. But I spent 6 months now just feeling like that way. But I can't walk away, no I can't walk away, no I can't.